morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Nürburgring, and let's get straight into it. As the title of this video suggests, we're gonna do a lap in the Cayman GTS. Not a 4-liter model, but the turbocharged. A lot of people complain about the sound, but forget about the sound. It's about the driving involvement and emotion. This is probably the best balanced, one of the best balanced cars out there. But as mentioned, enough talking, you'll see it for yourself. It's a bit cold out there because it's early in the morning and it was -degrees this earlier this night. So we're gonna take it easy. Hop in, let's go. Okay, just the manual, leave the traction control and everything on, especially in cold, especially with mid-engine car, and off we go. Extra cautious here because there's lots of sand from the construction works. In the first half of the lap you want to warm up the tires anyway. Off the curbs, want to save the car a bit. Definitely on this warm-up lap because usually the GT3 RS is a lot faster. I know the guy, so take example of him, taking it very easy when you don't have to push. Sorry Robert, but for the sake of safety at those high speeds I do like to take that curb. Thank you. Shadow, so the tarmac is definitely cold in the morning here. No need to risk it. Here we can have a bit more grip. Always taking it easy through bright light anyway for the speed limit. So I don't want to overstress my brakes here. Give yourself time to cool down and the car. Run close to the end of the wall, going back, downshift, tap, and off we go again. in the morning. I'm cold. Mark 4, yes. Whipperman challenge today, sorry. I love how well the gearing is set up of this car, because you can do the whole section from pretty much Whipperman until Charoudin, or nice curve in this case, in third gear. There. A Yaris parade with the occasional Fiesta ST. Nice license plate, YGR16. And that's it, a lap of Nürburgring Nordschleife. Top down laps. Look at that! Did you see the wheels that he has in the middle? So people are gonna ask what the hell that was. It's basically in Germany and some other countries, if you're 16 years old, I'm gonna try to actually park behind it, because everybody has seen the GT3 or 570S, etc. But I want to show you the Abarth, because this is like really cool. Come on, come on, come on. So the thing is, if you're 16 years old and not valid for the casual driver's license, look at that. I hope you can see it. You can convert this. You can get this, and you can drive it with like almost scooter license or something, with the moped license when you're 16 years old. And I think it has limitation to go only up to like certain amount of kilometers per hour, and a couple of gears, top gears, are going to be blocked. Yeah, I don't know, but this is cool. This is so much cool. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this lap. This was lots and lots of fun. I hope the angle is okay on the camera. I hope it's a nice video overall, and I wish you a very good day. Looking forward to seeing you next time here on the Nürburgring, or in this Cayman, or in some other car. Let me know which car we should take next. Or maybe you can bring your car and we can take it for a lap. See you, have a good... Ooh, E30, nice. But this is definitely spot of the day.